Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, with my comments on stock index futures. Well, I always give you the word of the day. It's that time of the month because it's October 3rd, and it's employment is the word of the day, and we just had our monthly employment report. Granddaddy of the monthly reports shows the strongest economy in the world, what our situation is, expanding or contracting. It is expanding. It beat the street. It was a good report. And with that, we rally. Now, going back yesterday, just one day, we were on our worst week to the downside, a correction, if you will, from the all-time highs that we've seen in probably 2 months. But we rallied back. We had a big tail on a technical. We'll get involved with that in a minute. But this was a decent report. We're up about 16 points for the day. We are still lower for the week for about 20 points. Okay, so we're down from the high 3.5%. We're up probably over 5% for the year still. Okay, looking at the S&P future contract. But the most important thing is the employment report. I would have to say that the unemployment rate went down. We created over 200,000. We're averaging more than 200,000 jobs. They revised last month. So we do look pretty good. Now, how is that affecting the stock index futures? We are rebounding, but like I said, we are down for the week still. The dollar is very, very strong because we are recovering. It looks like the Fed is going to complete their bond buying program and finish that up. In Europe, they're starting it. So again, the dollar is strong. We don't have a lot of inflation at the moment. That doesn't mean down the road we won't. But for right now, short-term trend in the stock index futures, in my opinion, is still down. We are long-term and medium trend up, but on a short term, where would that change? We need a close over 62. 1962, December, Christmas time, S&P future contract. We got to close above that, and then we'll have a neutral to maybe up by a short-term trend. If we cannot close above 62, in my opinion, then we are still in a short-term trend down. How low could we go? Well, we could probably go to 1925. Remember, that's where I said we might bounce off last week when I was here. So remember that, right there, put a circle around that number. And if we close above 62, in my opinion, then we will start to try to test the old highs. Good luck and good trading. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.